Hey, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered about the most extreme objects in the universe? Let's dive into the incredible world of neutron stars. When massive stars reach the end of their life, they explode in a supernova, leaving behind a super dense core. This core becomes a neutron star. Imagine something so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of it weighs 1 billion tons. That's a neutron star for you. And they spin fast. Some neutron stars, called pulsars, rotate hundreds of times per second, sending out beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses. They also have insanely strong magnetic fields, trillions of times stronger than Earth's. This can create spectacular phenomena like X-ray bursts and gamma-ray flashes. Scientists study neutron stars to understand extreme physics, from gravity to quantum mechanics. They're like natural laboratories in space. Fascinated by neutron stars? Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the universe together. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching.